students. I'm Mrs. M. I'm your art teacher for this year. Every time we start a lesson, we are going to do a mantra. A mantra is something that you say to get you ready to make art, to get you ready to learn. Are you ready? I'm ready. I am an artist.
I am an artist.
I am creative.
I am creative.
I make mistakes.
I make mistakes.
But mistakes are great.
But mistakes are great.
Because they help us learn.
Because they help us learn.
Awesome. Are you ready to learn?
Yeah!
This special word is try. T-R-Y. That spells try. It means that even though your plan has changed or your art doesn't look what you thought it would be, you keep working. You may have thought it was going to be this, but instead it's turning out like this. Artists change their mind all the time and they keep on trying. For today's lesson, you will need a piece of paper. It could be white or it could be from a notebook and have lines on it, either one. You are also going to need something to color with. It could be markers. It could be crayons, or it could be colored pencils. You will need paper and colors. Go ahead and get your supplies. Remember, the word of the day is try. I just want you to try something new. First job is to make 10 dots. They can be anywhere on your paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can turn your paper, you can look at it in a different way, and then I want you to start connecting the dots. Just try and see what you can make. It could turn out to be something that's great, or maybe you'll say, not a masterpiece this time, and that is okay. All right, to me, this looks like a head. So I'm going to turn this into a head. And I always like to give my little creatures, whatever they are, faces. For some reason, it feels like he should have some curls. Now what I'm doing is I'm starting to add in the details. This looks like it could be a wing. So I'm going to add a curving line, and I'm actually going to add another curving line for a wing. This is quite a body that is an odd kind of shape. So what kind of legs would fit with that? I'm going to do some little army legs, arm-like legs, not army legs, but arm-like legs. And then, I don't know what that is. It's something. Let's see. Now I'm going to start to add in some details. Remember, I may love it or I may not, but the key word is to try, because when we try, we can learn what we do want to do. If we just sat there and didn't try at all, we would never know what was good and what wasn't, and what we liked and what we didn't like. I'm going to add in some polka dots. Now, if you make a great big mistake, then flip your paper over, or cut it off, or color on top of it, or maybe change your mind, right? When I change my mind, maybe that means I'm going to turn my paper and do something totally different. I want you to try. Start with 10 dots. Connect the dots and see what you can find. Here's another one that I did. This one turned into shark with wings. I almost think that this one was turning out a little bit better, but I wanted to do it again to see, and I wanted to keep on trying. Enjoy your art project.